G'day, Caleb here to talk about core strength and mistakes that people can make when trying to improve it. Core strength is vital for every athlete or active person, especially if you're lifting weights above your shoulders. But are you sabotaging your workout by making one of these mistakes? The first mistake is not working on your core strength at all.
Having a strong core will help protect you from back injuries and especially lower back injuries. Now, it is true that you use your core muscles when you do exercises like upright rows or lunge walks, for example, but these exercises won't strengthen your core as much as exercises specifically targeted at your core. Even just adding a set of crunches to your workout will help.
That leads me to the second mistake. When I say core strength, most people think abdominals.
As an athlete or active person, it's a mistake to only do ab exercises and ignore your posterior chain. Let's talk about the posterior chain. This refers to a group of muscles that runs down the back of your body and includes your trapezius muscles or traps, rhomboids, and latissimus dorsi or lats, and your lower back or erector spinae, and includes your glutes and hamstrings. If these muscles are weak, it increases the risk of injury during exercise and decreases athletic performance. So don't ignore these muscles. Bodyweight exercises are great for building these muscles. The one we use a lot in gymnastics is arch hold or arch rocks. Others you could try are back extensions or hip extensions if you don't have a way to hold your legs down. Opposite arm and leg lifts are great too, and you can hold a light dumbbell in each hand to increase the difficulty.
The last mistake is to only use one or two activities.
Core strength can be hard, so mix it up. But additionally, it's really difficult to strengthen all the muscles in your core with just a couple of exercises. As we discussed earlier, your posterior chain is made up of a lot of muscles, and the same is true for your abdominals. Doing crunches might give you that six-pack look, but be sure to train your obliques as these are important for torso rotation. And if you want core stability, it's important to train your lower abs too. Do you have a favorite core exercise? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found the content useful. If you did, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. And remember, keep doing hard things to achieve your goals.